Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video I will show and tell how to delete status from WhatsApp. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp on our device. Then here we see there are settings, chats, contacts, calls. We click on updates and then at the top here is my status. We tap on it and we can see that I have one status. To delete it, we click on it. And then there's three dots. I click here. And then we press delete. We press delete one status and delete it. You can also press edit and select that status, and at the bottom press delete and delete. If this video helped you and you liked it, you can like it. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much for watching this video to the end. Write in the comments, did you succeed in my way to do it or not? This method works on any device. So try it. I think you will succeed. Thank you all. Goodbye.